Hello everyone. How are you today? Today I'm going to share you how to improve your grammar skills. Actually, there are many ways to improve your grammar skills, but today I would like to share you the 6 tips that can help you to improve your grammar skills. Number 1, understand the building blocks of grammar. As a first step, it is important to know the different building of grammar like nouns, pronouns, articles, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. The internet is full of resources about these, and it is usually a good idea to understand them well. Number 2, pay attention to sentence structures. When you read articles or watch a movie, it is important to pay attention to how sentences are constructed. This practice helps ingrain different sentence structures and will help your spoken and written English. Number 3, practice when you can. This tips can never be overemphasized. As an English learner, it is extremely important for you to talk in English at any given opportunity. If you do not have partners to practice with, then try to speak in front of the mirror. Number 4, grammar exercises will help you. Try doing different grammar exercises and find out your weaknesses. These exercises are freely available on the internet. It is only after you are able to correctly assess your weaknesses that you will be able to rectify them. Number 5, find a mentor. Many learners have improved their grammar working with a mentor. A mentor could even be a friend who has a strong command over English grammar. You must speak only in English with your mentor and ask the mentor to point out your mistakes. This real-time feedback is very beneficial in improving grammar. Number 6, join a course. Many students find that an English improvement course is the quickest way to improve English grammar. If joining a classroom program is difficult, then an online course is a great option.
Thank you for watching channel, Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.